I've been using the Cigna Insurance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Cigna Insurance. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Cigna Insurance. One of the notable benefits of this insurance is its competitive pricing, which tends to be more affordable than options from other major insurers like Blue Cross Blue Shield and United Healthcare. Additionally, Cigna offers various health plans, including bronze, silver, and gold, along with supplementary options like dental and vision coverage and specialized plans for those with chronic conditions. However, there are some trade-offs. For instance, Cigna's customer service, while generally positive, does not stand out as much as its competitors. Plus, some users report difficulty with claims processing. Moreover, the availability of its plans also varies greatly depending on location, as Cigna operates in fewer states compared to other major insurers. Overall, Cigna is a solid choice for many, particularly those looking for affordable premiums and a variety of plan options. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.